Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Pokeball surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pokemon surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making a Pokeball in the middle. So I like to just go ahead and trace a little paint palette. If you don't have that, you can just draw it normally, but this just kind of helps make a nice circle. So I'm just going to trace a sad face on top. And then I'm just going to trace a smiley face on the bottom. So now I have my nice circle for my Pokeball. Now in the middle here, we're going to make a small circle. So I'm just going to make a sad face. And then I'm going to make a little happy face underneath it, just like I did on the outside. Then I'm just going to do that same thing one more time for the little button on there. So we'll just make a sad face and a little happy face. Next, what I'm going to do is let's draw a line across. We'll stop when we get to about there, and then we'll just kind of jump over that circle and then continue over here. Then we'll make just a sad face right here above it. Let's do that same thing down here. Make a line across, jump over it, and continue that line. Then just make a little smiley face underneath it. So now we have our nice little Pokeball, and our next step is going to be to open this up and draw the inside. Now with our Pokeball open, we have two halves, the top and bottom. So the first thing we're going to do is let's connect the top and bottom. So let's just bring a line down and down. Then we'll make a line across to connect. Then we'll just connect these lines. So we'll do all four of those little lines. Let's do the same thing here. We'll come up and up just a little bit. Line across. And then we'll connect these four little lines. So now that way, when we close it, it looks like a Pokeball, and when we open it, we have two halves of our Pokeball. Now, inside of here, we're going to draw the three original big bad guys, and that is Venusaur, Blastoise, and Charizard. So let's go ahead right here, and let's start with Venusaur. So I'm going to begin by making a line that just comes down for the top of the eye. And then we're going to make a little smiley face. We'll put a little circle in here, or I should say half circle, and we'll kind of color that in, leaving it a little bit white. We'll make a sad face up and down for the eyebrow. Then right here we'll make a line that goes across, and we'll go up and down, across, up and down, across, up and down, and then across, and then in. And that'll be like the little leaf part. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out, and then it's going to go down. Then I'm going to bring this line out again, and I'm going to curve to about here. Now right inside of here, really close, I'm just going to draw a little line like this. Now I'm going to bring this up, I'm going to go down and then up. Now I'm going to go out here for the mouth. Then let's curve this around. Two lines like this for the nose. Then we'll make two little teeth. Then we'll make a couple more little teeth. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down. Next, right here, I'm going to make the ear. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out to a point and down. Then I'm going to put a little triangle in here. Then I'm going to make this line curve out and then back in. Next, I'm going to make a little curve underneath here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out for the leg. I'll make a line here for the body with a little line here for part of the leg. We'll do another line here for the leg and one that's going to go out and then in here. Now right here, I'm going to bring this line up and down, and then I'll connect it here for that leaf. Now I'm going to make another leaf out here. So I'm going to make just some little lines that are flat, and then they just kind of go in and out. And we're just going to go kind of all around. Doesn't have to be perfect. We'll put a skinny line in there like this. We'll do kind of that same thing over here. Just make another one of those little leaf shapes. Just making pointed lines with those extra little lines. Then we're just going to put another long, skinny line in there. Now right here, I'm going to make a little pointed line. And then we're going to put those big flower petals out here. So I'm going to make a line that comes out and up and in, up and in, up and in, and then we'll bring it back. We'll do that same thing here, up and in, make a couple of those little notches and bring it back. And then same thing over here, just going to make it go out, a couple little notches, and then bring it back. I want to make a little curved line right here. And then just a couple little circle shapes on here. And then we'll make a couple different size circle shapes on here. Now over here, let's make Blastoise. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up and a check mark. And then down and then up and a check mark. Then I'll make a line that's going to go up, over, and down. Then we're going to go down, over, and up for the nose. I'm going to come down and in, and then down and in. Curve line here, curve line here. And then we'll make a little line down and up and kind of color it in just a little bit. Now for the top of the head, we're just going to go up and down, and then up and down. We're going to make a triangle shape on each side for the ears. Then we'll make a smaller triangle right inside of there. For the mouth, I'm going to go out a little bit on each side. I'm going to go down, curve it across, and then connect it here. Next, I'm going to curl it around here. I'm going to bring it down here and bring it down here. Then we'll make a little line above each one for the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and curve it in here. Then I'm going to make this line come out and then kind of curve it around to here. I'll make a circle shape here, one here, and then one more here for the arm. And we'll make a couple little lines for the claws. We'll make a line here for the shell and make a couple lines across. I'll make a little curved line here, and the line's going to go up, over, down, and connect. The little line here for his little water cannon. We'll make a line here and a line that goes up, over, and down for the other one. Another little line here. They'll make a little line here for that brown part of the shell. And then last but not least, we're going to put Charizard up here. So starting here, I'm going to make a line. It's just going to go down and come back in a check mark. Then I'm going to go over and up. A little line here, and then another one here that I'm going to color in, leaving a little bit white. Make this line come up and down for the eyebrow. I'm going to make this line come over, down, and back for the little horn. Come out and in. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and put a little bump on it. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to bring this line up and down here. Then I'm going to bring this line down right to the top of Blastoise's head. And we're going to curve this down to here for the jaw. Now I'm going to make a little line here for the eyebrow and a little dot for the nose. Make a little line right there for the neck. I'm going to do a little tooth here and a little tooth here. And we're going to make a line that comes out for the tongue. Now I'm going to make some fire coming out, just making like this wiggly little line. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and around and down. And then the same thing right there for the wing. We'll do that same thing over here. Make a line, kind of come up, down, and over to here. And then make a little detail inside for the wing. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Pokeball surprise fold. So we have it all folded up. We got our simple Pokeball. Then we open it. We've got Venusaur, Blastoise, and Charizard all in there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.